Hi everyone, welcome to Basic Funda. In today's video, we will see how we can add members into a team and we can remove members from team. So sometimes in a project, we get some situation like we have to transfer the queue owner, which is a team A, to team B. But with that, we also get a requirement that we have to move the members from team A to team B, or first, before moving that from team A to team B, we have to remove the members from team B. So in today's video, we will see how we can do that, what are the actions that has been provided by Microsoft Team. So using a postman call, I will show you the actions, show you the body structure that can be used to do the same. My upcoming video, I'll show you the code samples that we can use the same thing from the code. So let me show you the first action. So first, let's talk about adding members into a team. I have also created this block and I have mentioned the step-by-step points that you can follow. I have given you the code also, the body structure, the JSON part that you can copy paste. But as of now, let's go to our postman. So this is the first action which we'll be talking about, that is Microsoft.Dynamics.CRM.AddMembersTeam. So this is the action which will allow us to add members into a team. So first let's talk about the type. So request type would be a post, and now let's talk about the URL. So here it is our domain. After that we have to add this, and after that, so we are doing it from teams. So we have to provide a structure like this, and this would be the GUID ID of the team from which or on which we are adding the members. So we have talked about the URL, we have talked about the type. Now let's talk about the structure. So we'll go on to the body, and this would be a JSON. So this is the structure that we can follow. So this owner ID would be the user GUID ID which will be added into this team. So this can also be duplicated like this. We can add a comma and then we can just add different users ID here. Okay, so this can be multiple. Okay, we can add comma separated way. We can add more users which we want to add into this team. So this is the body structure. Now let's talk about the authorization part. You see, I am trying to do the authorization using a bearer token, and why I am using this is because usually in our project requirements we use token only to connect, to do this operation via code. So I have created a trial instance and using which I am creating this token. So for the generate token part, I already have this setup, and if you want to learn how we can create this token just for the testing purpose and what are the parameters that would be required to generate a token to do the same setup, you can go to my videos, you can go to my channel in my videos, and you can open this video which is multi-table lookup field. So once you'll open this, in this video I have explained in between how you can do this setup to generate the token. Okay, I'll mention this link in the description so that can be followed. So as of now I am just generating a new token. So I'm just, okay, it is done. I can copy my token which got generated, and first of all, so I can paste this token here. So I have explained you about the add members team action. Similarly, we have the same action, that is remove members team. So this is also having same structure. Here also we can duplicate this by comma separated and just change the owner IDs, which will be the user IDs that we want to remove from the team. And this request type is also same. For the URL, everything will be same except the action which will be here, Microsoft.Dynamics.CRM.RemoveMembersTeam. Okay, so let me switch back to my trial instance which I have created. So this is the team which I have created as of now to showcase you the same thing. So here I see there are 3 users. These are coming from the sample data, and this is the user that I have created. So what we will try to do is, so if you see, this is the team. So I have taken this grid ID of this team. Okay, I'll copy this and I will paste it here. So this is correct, and let me go back. So first we will try to remove this user from this team. I have already copy pasted this user ID. So let us just confirm that point. So this is the user ID of the same user which we have to remove. Yeah, let's check, or maybe we can simply copy and we'll go back to my team. We will just change the user ID. So that is it. Now whatever token we have generated, let me generate it one. So let me copy this, and for the remove action also I am using the bearer token authorization. So I will copy this token. So everything is set up, this user is pasted. Now when we'll send this request, so I can see I have got the success status. So let's go and check from the team. I'll just refresh it. This user should be removed from this team because we have ran the remove action. So if you see, that user has been successfully removed from this team. So this is the user ID. Now let's try to add also this user again to the same team. Let me remove this part. Let me add that, because we want to add the same user. That is the reason I have copy pasted it. Now everything is same. We might have to copy the token. So I will just copy this token here. So we are good to go. I will again send this request. Yeah, so we have received the success status with no content. I'll refresh it, and this has been added. So these are the 2 actions which people generally use in their projects to remove or add members into a team. I have also created this blog and everything has been written in case you want to copy the body structure of you, or if you want to get the URL or action. So this is the API's actions that can be used to do the same. In my next video, I'll show you some code examples that can be used to do the same thing via code. And as I have already explained you that the authorization part, how I have generated the bearer token, so the steps can be taken from this video in between. And I will mention all the links in my description box. So thanks for today. If you like it, so please like this video and subscribe to my channel for my upcoming videos. Thank you.